Microchip War, the real tech battlefield. In the 21st century, the world's most powerful nations aren't just fighting over oil or land. They're fighting over microchips. These tiny pieces of silicon, smaller than a fingernail, power everything from smartphones and cars to fighter jets and artificial intelligence. It all begins with silicon, the key mineral found in sand. From this simple element, engineers craft microchips so advanced that billions of transistors can fit on a single chip. But only a handful of companies in the world can produce them. The most powerful player? TSMC, the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, which holds over 90% of the global market share for the most advanced chip production. This dominance has turned Taiwan into the center of global technology and a potential flashpoint for global tension. The United States, worried about relying on Taiwan and facing growing competition from China, launched major initiatives like the CHIPS Act, investing billions to rebuild its chip industry. Meanwhile, China has been pouring resources into its own semiconductor research, aiming to become self-sufficient and reduce dependence on Western technology. But here's the catch. Making a chip isn't easy. It requires hundreds of steps, cutting-edge machines and materials sourced from all over the world. ASML, a company in the Netherlands, makes the world's only extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, essential for creating the tiniest transistors. Without them, no country can make the most advanced chips. So, when the US began restricting chip exports to China and blocking ASML from selling certain machines, it wasn't just a trade decision. It was an act of technological containment. In response, China accelerated its domestic chip programs, creating its own versions and stockpiling components. What looks like an economic competition is actually a race for global dominance. Because whoever controls the flow of microchips controls the future of AI, defense systems, communication, and the global economy itself. And as chips get smaller, the stakes get even higher. In the end, this war isn't just about circuits. It's about who will control the brain of the modern world.